Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So back. We are definitely back. So I just got a treadmill. I got a treadmill yesterday. This weekend actually. Got a treadmill. It came in. I bought it. Came in yesterday. Set it up, and as of right now, we are going back to running in the garage with the treadmill. So expect for me to make these videos. Not on the toilet anymore, not while I'm going to the bathroom, but while I'm while I'm in the garage. So to go over the last couple of videos, I basically told you guys, I've been telling you for the last week or so, the last 2 weeks, I don't know, that I think we topped at 415, 416 SPX, and I think we're on our way down back to 380 or so. I'm still, pretty, I still think that, right? My opinion hasn't changed. As of right now, you did break the previous low, pre-market hours, which is pretty insane. And again, that is never a good sign. You're at 414 yesterday at the close, and right now you're at 411. That is a huge drop. As of right now, I do think that for today, you are going to end up having a huge gap here. I will more than likely start longing as soon as we hit this 410. So let me see. Actually, I'll add an alert on the trend line. There we go. But I do think that you might actually have a bounce somewhere here. So keep in mind that I did tell you guys that we were going to more than likely create a brand new low, right, which is right here. So this would technically be our second trend, or the start of the trend downward. So essentially what I'm thinking is we're going to do this, probably do that, and then maybe eventually come all the way down. Or what might also happen is you don't even respect and go back up, and you just go straight down. So as of right now, if you guys are part of the Patreon, you guys already know that I do think that we are headed all the way back down, not to 409, but back to 400. I do not think that we're going to bounce from this trend line. I will more than likely take, I will take profit here, since I do have puts right now, since there's a very high chance that you run back to this 413 gap and close it before you come down. But we did close that daily bear trigger on SPX and SPY yesterday. So as of right now, I am expecting this to be the beginning of the end, essentially. Especially when you start seeing those massive drops, the massive drops after the daily bear trigger. And I'm not gonna do like a full TA on this on SPY. I do think that as of right now, I think I told if you want to know what I think about this exactly, feel free to join the Patreon, right? It's www.patreon.com/but I'm not a trader, right? It's just the at. We did break a big trend here that was from April 13th, right? You did break this. I don't know if we already retested. I don't think, did we retest? That's crazy. Yeah, we did. Yeah, I think that's one of the videos that I made. So we did retest, and as of right now, we did break lows again. So as of right now, I do think we're headed back to this 407 on the SPX, which is probably closer to like a 406, 405 on SPY. After that breaks, the next level for us is going to be down at 392. So as of right now, I do think we're headed to 405. As far as what I think can happen today, I think for today, I think we can actually see 407. And then if TSM or TSMC, the semiconductor, actually comes out good, which I don't think they will, because, Warren Buffett sold his majority stock, I think, or all of it, right? I think that for the most part, TSM is going to come back down, because why would Warren Buffett sell his stake, right? So as of right now, I do think the descent has started for us to go all the way down to for right now, like a 407, 406 level. And then continuation, I think we're actually going to go even lower. But for today, I do think we are headed back to more than likely, we're headed lower here. We're headed lower, possibly to like a 407 area on the SPY. So with that being said, I'll see you guys later. I'm still pretty bearish on all ends. Again, I will make another video at the end of the week, but more than likely, I do see this gap being filled as soon as we go a little bit lower and possibly touch this trend at, I don't know, like 410 or something. So maybe we see SPY 409, 408 today. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.